Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful 4-strand waterfall braid. Begin by taking a large section of hair from the side and divide it into 4 strands. Make strand number 3 a bit thinner than the others. Take strand number 1 from the left, under strand number 2 and over strand number 3. Continue on the other side and take strand number 4 over strand number 3 and under strand number 2. Now we're going to start again from the left with strand number 1, but we're going to add in a piece of hair from the top. Grab about the same amount of hair and combine it with strand number 1, then take it under strand number 2 and over strand number 3. Switch to the other side, but instead of taking strand number 4 over strand number 3, we're going to release that strand and let it fall down. And this will be our first waterfall strand. Pick up a new piece of hair from behind the first waterfall strand. We're going to use this as the 4th strand of hair, which means that we're going to take that strand over strand number 3 and under strand number 2. From the left, we're going to start again by adding a new piece of hair to strand number 1 and take it under strand number 2 and over strand number 3. Now drop down strand number 4 as the 2nd waterfall strand and pick up a new strand of hair from behind it. Take the new strand number 4 over strand number 3 and under strand number 2 and go back to strand number 1 from the left. Add a new piece of hair to strand number 1, take it under strand number 2 and then over strand number 3 and let go of strand number 4. Pick up a new piece and bring it over strand 3 and under strand number 2. Repeat the technique and continue all the way across your head. If you get confused about the strands during the braid, remember that strand number 1 from the top always goes under then over, and strand number 4 always goes over and then under. When I get to the end, I braid a couple of stitches of a 4-strand braid, which means I don't add in hair or create new waterfall strands. Tie the braid with a small clear elastic band and go back and fan out the sections to make the braid stand out even more. Next, take a small piece of hair, wrap it around the ponytail and secure it with bobby pins. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.